It's nothing like getting a gift set for Christmas of that model that you really wanted, or getting one of your friends into modelling by buying them a gift set of an iconic aircraft, complete with the paints and glue. So today I figured, well, 'tis the season to look at festive model kits. So we're looking at one. This is a WH Smith model set, which is a shop that kind of exists in limbo now. They actually sold their retail arm for like high streets away, and they now exist in airports. And I'm sure many of you across the world, particularly in Europe, know WH Smith as that shop that sells stuff at airports. Whereas in the UK, it was a really well-known high street store, often with post offices in, and you could buy stationery, magazines, sometimes music, and model kits. In fact, they had a whole foray into model kits, and that's probably a subject for another video. But, well, they did a collab with Airfix, a gift set opportunity with Airfix for the Red Arrows. So let's go and have a look in the box and see what you got. I wish I could see this in the shop again. It's such a cool set, and it's so cute and Christmassy. Look at it. WH Smith, a Red Arrows action gift set, Red Arrows video and Red Arrows Airfix kit. I like the box art on this. It's one of my favourites, although now I've looked at it closer, I'm not sure. I feel weird on it. It looks watercoloury but almost CG as well. It's a bit odd. We're going to have a look at the model kit itself. We'll also have a look at the video, and I'm going to read the blurb out on the back as well, because I don't know, it's a kind of a piece of history, I guess, so I'll try and preserve it. So this is the Red Arrows Salute, and it's a really cool VHS set. I'm really excited to watch this at some point. But it says, a warm day in late summer, an airfield in North America, 3,000 miles from home, the crack RAF aerobatic teams the Red Arrows is taking to the skies. 9 pilots, an air display unmatched anywhere in the world. 9 pilots, 9 planes, and an air display unmatched anywhere in the world. Join the world famous Red Arrows on one of their most ambitious and spectacular tours ever. Watched in awe by over 2.5 million people throughout North America as part of the RAF's 75th anniversary celebrations. All the classic Red Arrows maneuvers and formations were captured here on film with commentary. 9 Arrow, Shuttle and Shuttle Roll, EFA, the B-17 Bend, the Cascade, Synchro Pair, Opposition Maneuvers, the Flat Split, Vixen and Vixen Break, and one of the course, the team's own trademark, Diamond 9, the epitome formation flying. This runs at 52 minutes approximately. In colour, it's from 1994 originally, and it's all in the original Red Arrows livery, so with the continuous white stripe all alongside of the fuselage. It has ground camera work, capturing the excitement with air-to-air photography as well, and the rare opportunity to get the Red's own eye view on the team's action. So, really cool VHS. And that, of course, complements this lovely model set. And I say lovely, it's old, and the new Red Arrows Hawk from both Revell and Airfix are much better than this set. But it was a product of its time, and at its time, it's okay. I've built this a few times. Do I always find I have a few issues with it? Yeah, it doesn't fit together as well as the new one, but I mean, it's okay. You can tell the detail is lacking, and there's raised details where on modern kits you would definitely get recessed linings instead. It's fine. You do get the opportunity to build either the Red Arrow set, or you can build a training aircraft from RAF Valley. That's nice, and I might actually use the decals to do an RAF Valley one, particularly a vintage scheme. That's kind of cool. But yeah, I mean, overall, you obviously wouldn't spend your money to get this. You can get much newer kits with much nicer parts, and these sprues are a nightmare to keep. Even though this was brand new and sealed, many parts had come off the sprue, as you can tell. They're in the original photo, but not on this bit. And not only that, but some parts were just piercing the bag, some parts were bent. It's mad how damaged these get on this sprue. So I'm glad that we've moved away from this sprue type for the most part, and that we have much better sprues these days. You can again see a lot of you know, raised panel lining on this, and it certainly does reflect the era. I would never spend time rescribing this. The clear canopy section has no detail on it, and it's fine. It's relatively clear. There's no real discoloration. Maybe a slight thickness to it that you wouldn't get on modern ones, but it's okay. And the decals, fully on their sheet, had to like peel them off really carefully to make sure they're okay. Seem completely fine. So maybe I'll use these decals on a modern Hawk and build the vintage colours on it, much like I did in my Matchbox kit. If you haven't seen that one, go check out me building the Matchbox RF Hawk, because I think that turned out fabulously. But yeah, the decals look okay. Whether or not they hold up, who knows? But this has been sealed inside the box within another box for quite a long time, so I imagine they've been relatively okay. The instructions came as 2 parts. I assume they just came apart in the box because they're not stapled together or anything, which I'm fine with. It means you can just take the parts you need to and fold them as you need to as well. Yeah, there's a lot of parts on this. I think in a lot of modern sets, you'd probably divide some of these parts up into more subparts or separate parts, but they're fine. Again, like, it's an okay kit. I have nothing against it. I do think for some reason in the pictures it looks not like a Hawk in some instances. It just looks, I don't know, a bit fatter than it should do, but it builds a fine model. And you can see that you get the 2 different colours on here. The RAF Central Flying School based in Scrampton in 1995, and the number 74 Reserve Squadron number 4 Flying Training School at RAF Valley. I really love these sets, and I wish we would have more of them. There's just something really nice about getting, you know, the book or video or DVD alongside the model set and all the things you need with it. Of course, we get the starter sets now, and occasionally they still get these sets. I mean, Revell have been releasing kits for 80 to 90 quid with a book for some reason. On the other hand, KP models have done things like their P40 BF109 set, which came with a book with artwork from KP in, and that was really cool. So these things do still happen, just not in the same way. There are so many cool Christmas Airfix sets, and I definitely want to explore them more. Maybe another year, because we're approaching the end of this festive season. So yeah, let me know in the description below. Do you remember ever getting sets like this? I remember I definitely got this at some point in the past. Buying this again, I had a memory vaguely in the back of my head that I'd had one of these before. And well, there's so many of the Red Arrows ones. In fact, we'll be looking at another series of videos about different collector sets that Airfix have done before. And if you look at my website, a very long time ago, I did the Red Arrows anniversary set, which came with sort of 2 Nats and a Hawk. One of my all-time favourite sets, just for the memories, rather than it actually being good, because it's all the old Airfix stuff, and you all know how much I hate that Airfix net, right? Yeah, it's really cool seeing these old sets, and I hope we get more of them in the future. At the moment, Airfix does do them, but they tend to just be sort of a combination of box arts or just a load of kits thrown together in a box. And I'd really love to see something like this, where you have like physical media, paints, and the model kit itself. So, is that something you'd like to see as well? Let me know that in the comments too. Ivory, thank you so much for being here for this video. I hope you've enjoyed everything. If you want to see me build this kit, make sure to like the video and leave a comment down below. I've asked you to do that 3 times now, so I hope there are 3 different comments. And if you want to see more of my videos, subscribe to the channel too. If you want to join a friendly and lovely community of model makers, make sure to join my Discord. The link is in the description down below. It's in a forum layout, and I've been getting better at responding to it, but there's loads of people you can talk to there and share your passion for modelling, and it's a really chill place, so you'll fit in perfectly. And if you want to support the channel a bit more, make sure to become a channel member. It allows me to buy random model kits and share them with you on the channel, and well, I guess buy the supplies to build them too. Don't worry, there's loads more building coming too. Right, thank you, and I'll see you soon. Bye! A shout out goes to all of my channel members, whether starter kit or advanced kit. You help keep the channel going. The big shout out goes to my advanced kit level members, which are Simon's Modelling Shed, Moreton Bay Modelling, Greg Webb, Hobby Time, Perfect Parody, David Price, Angel, Mast Hand, Ian Ellison, Jock's Model Bench, Taggers365, Bobby G, Bob and Genevieve Albridge, Dafty Duck, David Barber, Jeff's Dioramas, and my 2 longest term subscribers at Advanced Kit level member, Explosive Water and Crazy Like Jeff. Thank you all so much. If you've enjoyed what you've seen here today, make sure to subscribe to the channel to be kept up to date on my latest and greatest videos. I also do live streams on the weeks where I don't put out a video, so make sure you keep up with them too. And here's a recommended video, just you. See you later, love you, bye!